how to change the duration of your video on Filmora. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the duration of your video in Filmora in easy, fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Filmora, and now this is the home page. Now if this is my video, as you can see. Now if you want to as we said, you have just to click on the right click on your video, and then you have the duration option right here. Now if you want to change the duration, just click on it like this and you will have input duration option here. You can choose whatever time you want of your duration in easy, fast way. So if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.